If you want to set up your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, let's press Start. And now we have to choose the language which we're gonna be using. I'll choose English and press Next. Now we have to give agreement to our end user license agreement. Press Next. You can set up with other device, however, for now I'll press Set manually. Now you have to connect to Wi-Fi or to mobile network to, we just basically have to do that. So let's do it. Now we gotta press connect. So you can transfer SIM from other phones, scan QR code, search for mobile plans, or set up later in settings. That's what I will do for now. If you have SIM card, simply enter it into your phone. So if your phone is second-handed or basically you reset it, you need to enter your PIN. However, if you're doing it for the first time, you don't have to do this. Then you will be prompted to sign into your Google account. So enter your email, press next. Now you have to enter your password, press next. Now you have to choose who will be using this device, you or your child. I'll press me, press next. So press I agree. Now give your phone a couple seconds. You will be prompted whether to copy apps and data from your previous phone. If you're on a Google account or you had your backup, I'll press don't copy. However, if you want to, you can add it up. Now press next. You can restore data from other devices. Once again, if you have backups, I'll press don't restore. So we can set up screen protection. I'll press skip. However, if you want to, you can set up anything. Press got it, press accept. Now you have to choose whether to turn on or turn off your backup. I'll press done backup. Now you have to choose your browser and search engine. Press next. I'll choose Google Chrome. However, you can choose whatever you want. Press set as default. I'll choose Google as my search engine. Press set as default. So here is some Gemini advertisement. Press continue. So now you can enable Gemini or not. I'll press no thanks for now. You'll be prompted to enter into your Samsung account. You can enter it or you can press set up later in settings. That's what I will do. Now you have to agree on the terms of conditions. Press agree. Press agree. Choose the mode, dark mode or light mode. Press next. And we're all set up. Basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.